Hello everyone, welcome to the Curious Subject. In this video, we prepared June 5th, 2026 current affairs and it is helpful for all sectors like banking, engineering, commerce, medical and for all competitive exams. So please watch this video until its end. If you are new to this channel, please like the video and press the subscribe button and bell icon for more latest updates. So let's get started. What is the unchanged repo rate decided by the RBI on June 5th, 2026? Option A 4.25%. Option B 5.25%. Option C 6% and option D 6.50%. Right answer is 5.25%. Which country's foreign minister Shishir Khanal arrived in India on June 5th, 2026? Option A Bangladesh. Option B Bhutan. Option C Nepal and option D Sri Lanka. Right answer is option C Nepal. India and which nation launched the Critical Minerals Global Supply Chain Observatory on June 5th, 2026? Option A USA. Option B UK. Option C France and option D Japan. Right answer is option B UK. How many Rafale fighter jets is India procuring from France under its new LOR request? Option A 36. Option B 57. Option C 140. Option D 126. The right answer is option C 140. Which global event is celebrated annually on June 5th to promote environmental safety? Option A Earth Day. Option B World Environment Day. Option C World Water Day and option D World Ozone Day. Right answer is option B World Environment Day. Who was appointed as the next Vice Chief of the Air Staff on June 5th, 2026? Option A Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit. Option B Air Marshal Amarpreet Singh. Option C Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary and option D Air Marshal Sandeep Singh. Right answer is option A Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit. Which football player was awarded the Princess of Asturias Award for Sports 2026? Option A Cristiano Ronaldo. Option B Lionel Messi. Option C Kylian Mbappe and option D Neymar Jr. Right answer is Lionel Messi. Which company appointed Shah Rukh Khan as its brand ambassador for the Infinitely More campaign? Option A, MasterCard. Option B, Visa. Option C, RuPay. And option D, American Express. Right answer is option B, Visa. How much budgetary support did the Union Cabinet approve to stabilize domestic aviation fuel prices? Option A, 5,000 crore. Option B, 10,000 crore. Option C, 15,000 crore. And option D, 20,000 crore. Right answer is option B, 10,000 crore. Which country was newly elected as a non-permanent member of the UNSC for the first time ever? Option A, Austria. Option B, Zimbabwe. Option C, Portugal. And option D, Kyrgyzstan. Right answer is option D, Kyrgyzstan. Which type of missile did DRDO and the IAF successfully flight test on June 5, 2026? Option A, Agni 5. Option B, Rudrayam 2. Option C, BrahMos NG. And option D, Pralay. Right answer is option B, Rudrayam 2. What is the official theme for World Environment Day on June 5, 2026? Option A, Ecosystem Restoration. Option B, Beat Plastic Pollution. Option C, Inspired by Nature. And option D, Only One Earth. Right answer is option C, Inspired by Nature. Mission Sanhejori, launched on June 5, aims to globally scale up which state's silk sector? Option A, Karnataka. Option B, Assam. Option C, Bihar. And option D, Odisha. Right answer is option B, Assam. A newly discovered lizard species named Mesalina bishnoi was found in which district of Rajasthan? Option A, Jodhpur. Option B, Jaisalmer. Option C, Bikaner. And option D, Barmar. Right answer is option C, Bikaner. Which tech initiative was launched by the government to identify and scale up grassroots startups at IIT Delhi? Option A, Startup Mantra. Option B, Navachar Mantra. Option C, Udan Step. And option D, Viksit Bharat AI. Right answer is option B, Navachar Mantra. Which city hosted the inauguration of the first World Yogasana Sports Championship 2026? Option A. Rishikesh. Option B. New Delhi. Option C. Ahmedabad. And option D. Bengaluru. Right answer is option C. Ahmedabad. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh launched which AI voice chatbot to help citizens register public grievances? Option A. Samadhan Didi. Option B. Madad Seva. Option C. Gram Chat. And option D. Sati AI. Right answer is option A. Samadhan Didi. The Andhra Pradesh Community Managed Natural Farming Program was honored with which global prize? Option A. World Food Prize. Option B. Food Planet Prize 2026. Option C. Right Livelihood Award. And option D. UNEP Champions Award. Right answer is option B. Food Planet Prize 2026. Which international sports body suspended Zimbabwe's board membership in early June 2026? Option A. FIFA. Option B. FIBA. Option C. ICC. And option D. FIH. Right answer is option C. ICC. Which university received approval to set up its first Indian branch campus in Bengaluru under NEP 2020? Option A. University of Oxford. Option B. University of Liverpool. Option C. King's College London. And option D. University of Cambridge. Right answer is option B. University of Liverpool. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, press the bell icon and subscribe button. See you again in next video.